Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're diving into one of America's most iconic sports cars, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8. Ever since the C8 switched to a mid-engine layout, it's been turning heads and challenging European rivals. The 2026 model keeps that spirit alive, adding sharper styling, more tech, and performance upgrades that push it even closer to supercar territory. Design. The C8's exotic profile is instantly recognizable, low, wide, and aggressive. For 2026, Chevrolet has refined the front fascia with larger air intakes, a sleeker headlight design, and new aerodynamic sculpting for improved cooling and stability. The rear end gets updated LED taillights and a reworked diffuser, while new wheel designs and color options let you tailor the look. The removable roof panel remains a signature touch, blending coupe style with open-air driving. Performance. At the heart of the Corvette is an updated 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, now producing even more horsepower while maintaining its deep, unmistakable growl. The dual-clutch 8-speed transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, and the revised suspension tuning improves both track handling and ride comfort. With available Z51 performance package upgrades, you're looking at blistering acceleration and cornering grip that rivals cars costing twice as much. Features and technology. Inside, the C8 blends driver-focused ergonomics with modern tech. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For 2026, Chevrolet adds enhanced driver assistance features, improved voice controls, and an upgraded performance data recorder for track days. Premium materials throughout give the cabin a more upscale feel without losing its sporty edge. Conclusion. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 proves that world-class performance doesn't have to come with a six-figure European price tag. It's bold, fast, and thrilling, a true modern classic. What's your verdict? Is this the best value performance car on the market? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, share it with your fellow gearheads, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the latest cars.